Hey guys, if your Wyze thermostat starts the heater when you select cool or warm air comes out instead of cold air, you're in the right place. This problem is usually caused by incorrect thermostat configuration, reverse HVAC wiring, the system being set to the wrong operating mode, or an installation setting that doesn't match your heating and cooling equipment. In some cases, a recent installation or reset can also cause the thermostat to control the HVAC system incorrectly. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Make sure the thermostat is set to cool mode and lower the target temperature. 2. Verify the OB reversing valve setting matches your heat pump system if applicable. 3. Inspect the thermostat wiring and confirm each wire is connected to the correct terminal. 4. Run the HVAC equipment test in the Wyze app to check cooling operation. 5. Restart the thermostat and test the air conditioner again.